All right, I did this gingerbread look. I'm so excited about it. I love the way it turned out. But we're going to talk today about eye shape. I find that if you can figure out your eye shape, you can make any eyeshadow look work for you if you know the right techniques. And so I'm going to ask you 4 questions when it comes to eye shape. And these questions will help you determine what eye shape you actually have. Now, we're not going to talk about those techniques today. If you want to talk about those techniques, we'll do them in another video, because eye shape, I think, is one of the very most important things when it comes to doing your eyeshadow. Now, I feel like people really get caught up on face shape and things like that, but face shape isn't necessarily things that can make or break a look. Here's the thing, and these questions will help you determine what eye shape you actually have. Because again, if you have monolid eyes, you're not going to be able to do the same looks as someone with almond eyes, just like downturned eyes can't do the same looks as someone with almond eyes. These looks are going to make or break how you do your eyeshadow, eyeliner, period. So the first question I want you to ask yourself is, do you have your crease? Not is your crease visible, do you have a crease? If your answer is no, you have monolid eyes. If your answer is yes, we're going to move on to the next question. Number 2, if you were to look straight ahead and draw a line from the bottom of your pupil all the way across your all the way across your eye, does the corner of your eyes turn up or does it point down? If they turn up, then you have upturned eyes. If they turn down, then you have downturned eyes. If your answer is neither, we're going to ask our third question. The third question is my crease visible? Now, if your crease is not visible, but you have a crease, you have hooded eyes. That means the fold of your skin is kind of covering your eyelid, meaning that you have hooded eyes. Now, I want to give the caveat of there are a few different types of hooded eyes, but most people who say they have hooded eyes, I have found a lot of the time they don't actually have hooded eyes. Hooded eyes is when the flap of your skin is hanging down over your eyelid. Now, you can be partially hooded or fully hooded, but that is the skin hanging over your eyelid is a prerequisite to having hooded eyes. If you do not have a visible crease, you have hooded eyes. If you do have a visible crease, we're going to ask our very last question. And that is, are the whites of your eyes framing your irises when you have your eyes open normally? Meaning that if I could see the white of my eyes all the way under my iris like this, the answer would be yes, and I would have round eyes. If your answer is no, you have almond eyes. If you want a video about how to do makeup on different eye shapes, I'm happy to provide that. But for now, hopefully this helps you to determine what shape of eyes you have. Ask yourself those questions and you'll be able to find out really easily. If you like videos like this, I'm going to go ahead and link another video up here in the corner, whatever side, for you to enjoy next. Thanks for watching. Bye.